Kathy here from kathyskutekreations. Today we are going to do the confetti unboxing. My granddaughter's going to help me. We're still trying to use a different tripod, so hopefully it's all in the screenshot here. I went downstairs to edit the video and realized I hadn't even made a beginning to the video. So hopefully it's not too bad, but I'm trying to use the tripod that I have that stands up. I think it's like a 60-foot tripod or something like that. But anyway, I've got it on the shortest, but sitting here on the table, I wanted to be able to look down on the products. But I'm not sure that they all got in there, so I kept going around to the front of it to look at the camera, and then every now and we stopped and we put it up into the camera. So hopefully it did work. We're still working on it. So that's what I just wanted to say. So let's get started. I'm going to be taller than Megan. I'm on a stool because if we stand next to each other, I can't be in the video unless I want to be from a nose up. So today we're going to be doing the... Get the box over there, honey. All right, let me get the box. Let's make sure it's here. It's upside down. I know it's not open. I haven't opened it yet. Okay, hold it right there. Well, this is just a test. And Megan's going to open it. Okay.
Kathy's going to finish it.
I'm not gonna it's just here.
No, I don't know how to...
You were doing fine. You just have to pull it, that's all. Oh, look at this.
Okay, now move. My turn.
Well, let me grab one thing out of it first.
Fine. This.
Bloom, baby, bloom. Please don't do that. Look at that. Is that screw on or yeah? It must just sit on it. Oh, that's a hard plastic. That's really nice. XO Creations. Isn't that pretty? Yep.
Don't break it.
I'll probably put something else in. I don't know. Well, maybe I'll
Why
use it for
are you
drinking. I'm just playing with it. Go ahead. Moving right along.
I'm gonna pull this back.
Is that it? Here. Give me that whole box. We'll take it off the table. I don't think anything's in it.
No, you can play with it. I'll give it to Leo. He can play with it.
I reuse this if I have to send something.
So this is next. It has a sticker on it. I don't want to rip the sticker.
Cut it then.
Like the paper I'll rip. So the first thing is... Oh, it was glued. It's a piece of paper. The little card that says write it down. Oh, it's for the journal.
Oh, this is a nice box this time.
I don't know how to open the package.
This is a journal for your desk and one to carry with you. This one. This is a nice box.
They all are.
I know, but you know how you like one more than another and all that?
So you get that one.
This says give a gift.
I'll get this one. What gift are you giving me?
So it's a gift card holder.
Oh.
For like at Christmas time or birthday, graduation, that kind of thing.
Well, I'm not going to open this one. But it's white. It's pretty. It's got a bow.
And there's what it looks like. On the inside, that would be the gift card right there. I think that's pretty neat. I give gift cards in my giveaways. Oops, let's see. How is that? Go ahead. Let's see what you got, Ben.
No, you were still doing your thing.
Oh, no, I just got that caught in there, that's all.
Oh, okay. That's not. This is, I just tossed the piece of paper that said what it was. Okay, so these are ceramics.
Ceramic magnetic frame set. Ooh, magnetic for the refrigerator. I'm just checking the video, make sure we've got it all in there. I don't see it. There you go.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
No,
Do
it's
we need
fine.
to re-hold something up? This is what happens when you don't view. Let's just make sure we...
That was the first.
And you can see these.
Yeah.
That's a white one. It's got a little 3D type.
Oh, they're refrigerator
ribbing on
magnets.
And then this one's just smooth.
I guess if you had a...
I know. Oh, well, it's got little raised dots
If
on
you
it.
had a tiny picture, you'd put it behind there and put it on your fridge. Come back, come back.
Oh, you want me to open something now? All right. Let me move this here for a second. So that I can
Where's
get
your
closer to the
marker?
camera. Well, I need to get up here to open it up to show it. That's what it looks like.
It's a journal.
Uh-huh. So it's got pages.
They're lined pages. Oh, did you?
Like that.
Let me see.
Uh-huh.
Forgot to tell them there's a bookmark.
No, I didn't know there was a bookmark. Where's it at? Oh, it's pink.
Oh, it's pink. Yes, there's a pink bookmark.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's a ribbon.
Let go, let go.
Is it just by itself there?
No.
While
There
you
it
post
is.
yourself, there's nothing in the camera, honey, because
I
it's
know.
heavy. Okay.
So there's
There
a
you
ribbon.
Okay, next.
Oh, hold on, the dog just sat on my foot.
Okay.
Something that will be for me.
Something for you, huh?
Yeah.
You can open this, take a look at it.
It's kind of like a faux leather. It says, "Life is loved." And the pages are lined. We'll make sure it's in the picture.
Yes, it is.
Okay, good.
Here, let's...
And that's the first page. Don't take it away
So
from
it's
me.
a smaller version of the big book. That's pretty neat.
But it's prettier and it's...
Well, and this says "Life is Lovely" on the outside of it.
Oh, and there's a bookmark on the inside too.
Oh, there sure is.
It's the teal.
So it's two
Oh, snap it.
bookmarks in one.
No, the front one isn't a bookmark. It's to hold the page closed.
The book closed. Oh, there's the bookmark right there. That's pretty neat. All right, what else is in there?
I don't know. The next is yours to open.
All right, hand it to me over here, because I'm closer to the camera.
Okay, well then here. Give you that one. That one has more detail.
Okay, so this is a birthday card, handmade birthday card, and there's 3 of them in there. That's the kind that you don't want to send in the mail. That's the first one. Here's the second one.
Looks like there's 3 different types.
Uh-huh. And then the third one. Make a big wish. And the envelopes are pretty too. That one's... Look at that envelope. Yeah, they are. They're nice. Okay.
Here, this one's a... Don't cover up
I'm
my
just trying
book.
to... Okay. And what do we got last?
A
Oh, a
notebook.
notepad.
Turn it over. It's magnetic.
Oh, yeah.
Something to write your grocery list on.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Or jot down notes or anything else while you're sitting by the... On the, like when I sit on the end of the couch, I always need a little pad for notes. Usually I got little Post-its, but this is pretty nice. All right, we're going to lay it out here on the table so you can take a look at all of it. Okay, here is everything that came in the box And with this box, it comes every other month. And there's actually 2 different type of boxes, but you're not choosing one of a specific 2. You're just choosing the box, and then they decide which one to send to you. Now, I did not answer any questions or anything like that to get it, so it's just you getting whatever they send you. And you can get online and see both box based on what they've got from other people that have unboxed it. Because I went and watched a boxing, I thinking it was mine, and come to find out it was the other kind. But it doesn't really make any difference. I like this box. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you, Megan, for helping me do the video. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.